Kids play tug-of-war with the lion. Saphira steals it. She's successful. She goes to antagonize Belle. Belle won't take the bait. And if we get really close, we can make it growl. Let's make it growl. Saphira drags Belle around the house. She's a champion wrestler. They make it growl. Belle takes the opportunity to snatch it away from Saphira. Both dogs, wait to see who's it at. Get down, Belle. Belle.
No. Do not jump on the screen. Good puppy.